In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline in Google Docs. If you want to make your document easier to organize and navigate, using the outline feature in Google Docs is a great option. It helps you quickly jump between sections, and it's especially useful for longer documents like reports, notes, essays, or project drafts. The good news is that setting it up is very simple once you know where to click. To begin, go to the section title or heading you want to include in the outline, type it in, and highlight that text. This should be the name of a main section or subsection in your document, not just regular body text. The outline works by recognizing headings, so selecting the right text here is important. Once that heading is highlighted, go to the Styles drop-down menu near the top of Google Docs. In many cases, it will currently say Normal Text. Click that menu and then choose a heading style such as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. These heading levels help Google Docs understand the structure of your document. For example, Heading 1 is usually best for major sections, while Heading 2 and Heading 3 work well for subsections underneath them. Using the correct level also makes your outline cleaner and easier to follow. After that, continue through the rest of your document and repeat the same process for each section title you want to appear in the outline. Highlight the title, open the Styles menu, and apply the appropriate heading level. As you do this, you're building the structure of the document in the background. A helpful tip here is to stay consistent with your heading levels so the outline looks organized and logical. When you've finished applying heading styles, you can open the outline view. To do that, click View in the top menu, then select Expand Tabs and Outline Sidebar. This will display the document outline panel. Once you do that, the outline will appear on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see the headings you added organized based on the heading styles you used. You can use this panel to quickly move between sections of your document without scrolling through everything manually. That makes editing, reviewing, and managing long documents much faster. And that's how to add an outline in Google Docs. As long as your section titles are formatted with heading styles, Google Docs can turn them into a simple, useful navigation panel on the left side of your document.